YOOforged here. We're going to go over how to build pages, create styles, translate, and copyright using YOOforged for YOOtheme Pro. So first thing I'm going to do is go over to app.yooforged.com, and I have a prompt here already. We're going to be creating a landing page for a premium coffee roastery called Ember Roasters. We're going to focus on a hero section, a 3-column section after that, and then a CTA. Pretty straightforward. After we're done with this, we will generate a style for this, as well as translate it to another language, and then see if we can refine the copy after that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask another AI for some style guidance. This is just, if you were a coffee roastery, what kind of styles would your website actually have? I imagine it's going to be warm, red, beige, maybe something like that. Maybe something completely different. We'll have to see. Yeah, so I did get that back. This one's done as well. So what we're going to do is download that, go to our library, upload it. Uploads right in. And then we have the initial skeleton for a page that we can go in, add images. As you can see, it's done some copy. So it's the skeleton's there. So now what we're going to do is actually, I don't want to save that. We will translate this to French. And in the meantime, I'm going to check out what we have for styles. It looks like we're going to prompt for a warm premium feel with a dark espresso brown background, cream and off-white text, burnt orange accent color, clean and modern with generous spacing. I'm not surprised. That sounds about right for a coffee shop, what I had in mind. So let's go ahead. We're going to see if we can get this to go French. And then after that, we will give it a copywriting pass through. And for that, I'm going to use everyone's favorite copywriter, Ogilvy, in the prompt, see if we can get some good action going with that as well. Go ahead and download this. This should be French. Let's take a look if that's the case. All right, very good. I don't speak French, so I can't verify this is all 100%, but generally speaking, I've had good feedback so far, so we're going to assume that is the case. Now we have the Ogilvy prompt coming in. It's a little on the hardcore side, but let's see what it does. Going to go to copywriter mode, make sure to pick our English one, and then here's the prompt itself. Every sentence should sell. And I skipped over style. We'll do that last here. Just pull that up. And where we upload the style generation is actually going to be a little bit different than in the builder. We'll go to that in just a second. Let's see how this copy comes out. So yeah, it's really interesting because YOOforged started with just the layout mode, just for some background on that. And then over time, it made sense to be able to expand to styles, to translations, to copywriting as time went on. These are just natural functions. These three are actually easier to do and stay schema constrained versus the layout, because the layout actually has to create something from scratch that's never been created before while adhering to UIKit and YOOtheme Pro, whereas Style, Translate, and Copywriter can kind of just refine the content on the page, making sure it doesn't actually break the page itself. That's really the main goal for that. So here we go. Let's download this. The freshest coffee you will ever taste. And obviously, if you're shipping this for a client or you are doing anything a little bit more serious, you're going to want to give more context than what I gave it to. You can tell this is very results driven, which is good. It did exactly what we wanted it to. Let's go ahead and generate the style for this last now. And here we go, creating, is that the right one? No, let me just go ahead and pull that real quick. We have a warm premium feel with a dark espresso brown background, cream and off-white text, burnt orange accent color. And where we can actually import that is going to be under style here. And then go to my styles. First we have to download it, so don't forget to do that. And then when we do that, I'm actually going to clear out, we're going to reset everything to default. That way we get a fresh look at what this one is. Hearthstone, interesting name. Replace. And here we go. We have a full coffee style website. The reason why this is still blue, this is custom CSS, of course, so that's not going to be impacted. But you can see it has a full encompassing changes for UIKit. I think with any AI, you want to be a human in the loop, and AI will take you 80% of the way there, but you still want to put the human touches on it. You want to put in something that is uniquely you. You don't want to rely 100% on the AI. And I think that's what's great about YOOtheme, is that you can actually go in afterwards and say, okay, I like what it did. This button looks great, but we're going to edit it because the hover color is not really valid. I don't know which one it used for this, probably the primary, maybe an inverse, I'd have to look, but you go through, you'd make changes just to get it to exactly where you want. But if you ever need inspiration, or if you're just not sure how to start a project, YOOforged is a great way to get the initial pages up, get some styles generated, maybe improve the copy if you need to. So there you have it. Check it out at YOOforged.com. Go to join now, and then you can get up to 5 free translations per month for free, as well as 5 free copywriter rewrites for all your pages. So yeah, thanks for watching.